Let's explore how we can power Jade with a multitude of large language models by using the new OpenRouter integration. Begin by opening Xojo's settings and accessing the AI panel. Under the service option, I've selected the OpenRouter OpenAI option and made sure the Allow Access to Project Context is checked. Okay, now let's get an API key. Simply press the link under the OpenRouter text field. If this is your first time accessing OpenRouter, you will need to create a free account. After you have your account, this is the page that Xojo opens for you. I am going to create a workspace just for Xojo that will contain separate API keys for each platform. So click the default workspace button and select the Create Workspace option. Good. Now that the workspace was created, let's create the first API key that I am going to use in the Mac version of Xojo. Copy the full key and paste it back in Xojo. Make sure again the OpenRouter OpenAI option is selected. I still have one more important setting to take care of. Back in OpenRouter, visit the routing page and set a default model that will power Jade. I am selecting the Kimi K code model, but feel free to select any model you wish from that list. Jade can now be powered by pretty much any AI model available, so have fun at coding.